or the Devasnana Purnima, is one of the 12 main festivals observed in Sri Mandir. This festival is observed on the full moon day of the month of Jyeshtha. The importance of this festival lies in two facts. First, it is believed to be the birthday of Lord Jagannath. Second, this is the first occasion when the Holy Trinity is taken out of the Sanctum Sanctorum. The deities are taken out in a traditional procession called Dhadi Pahandi, from the Sanctum Sanctorum to the Snana Bedi or the bathing altar. Before the procession, the deities are made to wear Senapata, a body armor made of bowler wood. Senapata is essential for deities to bear the stress during the procession. Atop the bathing altar, certain rituals like Mangalarpana, Mangala Arati, Tadapalagi Niti, Adhara Pocha, Abakasa Niti, Surya Puja and Dwarapala Puja are performed. Then the deities are bathed with 108 pitchers of fragrant water brought from Sonaku. After the Jalabhishek, the Puri king, Gajapati Divya Singh Dev, the first servitor of Lord Jagannath, performs the Chhera Pahara ritual on the bathing altar. After the completion of the Chhera Pahara ritual, the main attraction of the festival Hathi Besa or Gajanana Besa is conducted. While Lord Jagannath and Lord Balabhadra adorn the Hathi Besa or the Gajanana Besa, Devi Subhadra appears in Padma Besa. Certain servitors like Pada Puspalaka, Khuntiya, Mekapa and Daitapati conduct the Besa as per the prolonged tradition. The materials required for this attire are supplied by Raghav Das Mutt and Gopal Tirtha Mutt. According to a belief, the deities are dressed as Lord Ganesha to satisfy the followers of Ganapatya sect. So, what is the legend behind this Hathi Besa? In the 15th century, a devotee of Lord Ganesha named Pandit Ganapati Bhatt of the Mahaganapatya community visited the shrine to have a darshan of Lord Jagannath. The day was Devasnana Purnima. He witnessed the deity seated on the bathing altar, but he had a wish to see Lord Ganesha within Lord Jagannath. As he couldn't see that, he returned with disappointment. On his way back, he was stopped by a priest. The priest was none other than Lord Jagannath himself. He requested Bhatt to return to the temple where he could see his Lord Ganesha. When he came back to the temple, he danced with joy after seeing Lord Ganesha within Lord Jagannath. From that day onwards, the ritual is being observed.